Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Huawei Band 11 and the Huawei Band 10. On our previous video, we compared the design, the specs, and the UI. This time, we'll compare the menus and features. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearable, watch this video. And again, if you have any questions regarding the comparison review, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and compare the two fitness tracker. So we'll compare the menus and features. Again, before we proceed with the menus and features, let's have the design first. Let's have a quick look. Then for the UI, settings and options. So we have here a dedicated icon for the focus. On the bottom part, we have notifications. On the left side, we have the widgets here, weather and music. For our Huawei Band 11, we have a dashboard here for our schedule, music, and weather. On our right side, we have the widgets. Okay. Then to access the main menu, just press the power button. So here's the UI of the main menu. And as you can see here, you have a much better looking menus here for our Huawei Band 11. If we're going to tap on the workout, okay, let's see. Then done. As you can see here, we do have a background for each sports function. It's not just an icon, as you can see here. Different colors. Much better looking UI for our Huawei Band 11. Both do have 100 plus sports functions. Next, we have the workout records. Agree. Not just a plain black background for our Huawei Band 11. For the 10, just see an icon and of course the details and a plain black background. We have a workout status. We have activity records. Okay, agree. Next. And we have it here. Then next we have the sleep monitoring. Agree. Okay, and as I have stated earlier, there's already a background color for each feature, not just plain black. Okay. Then next we have the heart rate. I don't know if there are some changes on the heart rate. Okay, so this is the heart rate. Just a minor difference here. Also have here pulse wave arrhythmia. You have to set it on the support app. We have the blood oxygen monitoring. We also have a stress notification, breathing exercises. Okay, so for our breathing exercises, and here's the UI. So there's a very huge difference when it comes to the design as well as the UI for both wearable. A very good upgrade for our Huawei Band 11. Remote shutter, we have calendar, alarm, still the same. We also have here a calendar, as you can see. It needs to pair with the support app. We have an alarm, timer, stopwatch. Okay, I like the design of the stopwatch here. Then we have a flashlight, a calculator. So this is the calculator. We don't have a calculator here on our Band 10. I wonder if there's an update. Going to check it later on. Okay, we have flashlight. We have a compass. We don't have a compass here. We have the find phone, and of course the settings. So we have display and brightness. So we do have a lot of options. I think it's just the same. Let's see. So we have always on display right away here on this display and brightness. Automatic brightness, tap to wake. Yes, you also have it here. Sleep, automatic, and that's it. So we don't have an always on display option here. Go back. We have vibration. Let's see if there are some changes. Okay, we also have here a custom. For our Band 10, the option is strong and soft and off. That's it. Here you have a custom vibration. Then do not disturb, notifications. We also have here a pin. We have a focus, we don't have it here. We have a payment, heart rate, data broadcast, yes, just the same. And that's it about Huawei Band 10, Huawei Band 11. Okay, so there's a very good addition here on our Band 11. We have the compass, we have a calculator, more options, and of course the UI is much better. Looks much better compared to our Band 10. We also have here again emotional well-being, up to 12 states of emotional well-being. So what do you think of the new changes here on our Band 11 compared to the Band 10? Drop a comment below. Again, if you have any questions regarding the comparison, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.